Something I love having at home and in my shop is Velcro. This is actual Velcro brand Velcro, and it comes in a nice box. As you can see here, it dispenses nicely through the end. You can just keep pulling it out, cut off whatever length you need with a scissors, and you're ready to go. This does have some sticky adhesive on the back, so you'll clean your surface, pull this off, and you get a nice sticky material for mounting just a variety of different things. Different sizes are obviously available with this, but then whenever you put it together, it sticks together really well. I'm just going to go ahead and separate these through the middle right there, stick it together. We all know this material as Velcro. Velcro has pretty much dominated the market as the brand name for this product, and it just works really well. So I'd recommend this. You really can't go wrong buying the Velcro brand name, and the fact that it comes in a really convenient storage box like this, where you can just pull out what you need and cut it off, really adds another extra layer of value. Also, I definitely recommend this product.